Hey folks, I'm here with you today to talk about the work for today, Wednesday, April 22nd. And it's a continuation of what we started on Monday and Tuesday. So on Monday and Tuesday, you were on this assignment, which was 420 reading and notes. You read this piece by Cesar Chavez. You divided it into sections and you took some notes on the rhetorical situation. So you're actually going to need to go back to the document from 420 that says AP Rhetorical Analysis Guide and open that up. You should have already filled out the rhetorical situation document here. And then we also did step 2. So you already read the text and we looked for 1 to 2 shifts. We wanted to divide the text into 2 to 3 parts. Now for today, I'm going to give you some examples using a different text. I'm not going to use the Cesar Chavez text. I'm going to be using the Gandhi text that we read a couple months ago and that you did as your mock exam. And the goal for today is to finish step 3, where we organize our thoughts. Notice I've said that this should only take about 5 minutes. That's if you're doing this in the testing environment. So it is a pretty quick task. And I want to show you that I don't expect super thorough notes here. This is really just for you to organize your body paragraphs. So each row here is going to be a body paragraph. So there's one body paragraph. Here's your second. And I put here, this third row is optional. You probably will not write a third body paragraph in your rhetorical analysis, so I really only expect the first 2 rows. Now, here's how you'll fill it in. The first is the paragraph or section. So I'm going back to this Gandhi text. I broke the Gandhi text here. So I said that the first section was lines 1 through 25, 26, 27. So here I'm going to put paragraphs or lines, we'll put 1 through 27. What are they saying? So this is a summary and short quotes. So here's what I'm going to look for. I'm just going to jot down a couple of the most important quotes here. So uh, the word conversion is important here to me. He talks about converting people to nonviolence. I do not seek to harm. He says he's on the same side as the British. And again, this is just like a really quick summary with a couple of short quotes here. He says, I served. He says that a bunch of times. Okay, so what is he doing? Now, you could do a couple things here. This is where we're going to start looking at the specific rhetorical choices. Now, what I'm about to say is super important. A rhetorical choice does not have to have a fancy name. A rhetorical choice could be anything from this list down here. So for example, a rhetorical choice here could be that I'm going to go for suggests. So the rhetorical choice would be that he suggests that he has the same goals as the British. That's a rhetorical choice. I can write a whole paragraph about that. I could say too that he makes a comparison between British and Indians. So those are, I could choose either of those rhetorical choices. But notice it says here, see the rhetorical verbs below. So I would definitely try to use one of these. So actually I'll change this to he compares British and Indian citizens. So I'm actually going to keep the second one. I really like that one. So I used my rhetorical verb compare. And then why is this persuasive? How does it support his argument? So his overall argument is that the British should free the Indian people. So I'll say here, British believe Brits should be free, therefore Indians should be free. So I did it for my first section. Now what I'm going to do is find my second section of the essay, which I said starts here and goes all the way to line 63 over here, and then I'm going to fill in this next one. So I would do 28 through 63. I would put what is he saying here, a couple of short quotes, just like I did up here. What is he doing? I would use one of the rhetorical verbs down here, and then why is this persuasive? Your job for today is just to fill out 2 of these. And again, when it says a rhetorical choice, what are they doing? You don't have to say, like, he uses a metaphor or he uses syntax. You can simply say that he, justifies nonviolence, but use these rhetorical verbs. These count as rhetorical choices. Your job for today is to fill out these 2 rows. Please email me if you have any questions, but getting these 2 rows done is going to help you a ton when we start actually writing later this week. Good luck. I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Bye.